Hello everyone, welcome back to Real Life English with Serene. It's time to improve your vocabulary. What do you say when you're thinking a lot about something? Something catches your attention. You're thinking a lot because it's unusual or exciting. Thought-provoking. Oh, I see. Thought-provoking book on ancient artifacts. I found a thought-provoking book on ancient artifacts. Something that is too big or complicated. Clumsy. Oh, you mean like the first mobile phones and computers were a bit clumsy, were too big and clumsy. Yeah, sort of. Actually, you're right. Someone who doesn't behave in a controlled way, in a careful way. Somebody who is doing things in a careless manner. Ah, yes, that's a clumsy person. Oh, yeah, he kept dropping things. He was so clumsy. Who is a person with a desire to succeed? A person having a strong desire to become famous. Oh, that's ambitious. The person is ambitious. Ah, I get it. The ambitious manager got a promotion. An ambitious career woman. What about an activity that involves a lot of effort and engagement? Oh, it's like the company's ambitious project. Could it be like an idea that needs a huge amount of skill to be accomplished? Okay, I have an ambitious plan for my business. Something that is extremely unpleasant or annoying. You mean extremely unpleasant? That's pungent. But if it's annoying or irritating or extremely unpleasant, that's obnoxious. Ah, I know. The obnoxious people at my table. I have to change my seat. Obnoxious, yeah, but just a show off. Attracting undue attention. The loud music was obnoxious. It's hard to deal with obnoxious people. What's a large amount of something? When something is in huge quantity, what do you say? Something which is more than enough. Oh, OTT, over the top, a bit too much. OTT. Oh, now I know. Fish are abundant in the lake. An abundant supply of water in my area. An abundance of natural resources. That's abundant. Latin words are abundant in the pond. Oops, sorry. I mean Latin words are abundant in the English language. agenda, ambiguous, atrocity, mundane, and many more. That's all, guys. Did you enjoy it? See you in the next lesson.